Royal Psalm reminds us that the message of the apostles goes out through all the earth. That is the mission that Jesus has entrusted His apostles. Go out into the world, proclaim the good news. Pero hindi lang po yan para sa mga alagad, hindi lang po yan para sa mga apostol, para po sa ating lahat yan na nabinyagan. Bawat isa sa atin, may mensaheng dapat ipahayag, may mabuting balita na dapat ipahayag mula sa Panginoon. Madalas, pag sinabi nating mabuting balita, ang naiisip natin ay pangangaral. No, when we talk about the apostles proclaiming the good news, we think about preaching. We think about their message through words. But my dear friends, the apostles proclaim also the good news, not only with words, but also by their example, by the way they live their lives. And that is what we heard in the gospel today as we celebrate the holiness of Philip and James. They preach the good news, yes, with words, but also with their life, with their example. For the apostles, first, are examples of intimacy with Jesus. Closeness with Jesus. Alam niyo po, hindi po magagawa ng mga apostol ang pag-aalay ng kanilang sarili, ang pagtatalaga ng kanilang sarili, kung hindi napakalapit ng kanilang puso kay Jesus. Jesus said in the gospel today, I am in the Father, and the Father is in me. Ayan ang halimbawa. Sumasa akin ang Ama, at ako ay sumasa Ama. Malapit na malapit, nagkakaisa. And this is the example of the apostles. Our closeness to Jesus. Sana po dumating ang panahon na kaya nating sabihin, sumasa akin si Jesus at ako'y sumasa Kanya. Parang mayabang, ano? Parang mapagmataas. Pero kung totoo naman, hindi yan kayabangan. Dahil yan ay biyaya ng Diyos sa atin. Philip and James were able to offer their life for the Lord because of their intimacy with the Lord, because of their closeness with the Lord, because of their communion with the Lord. That is also the invitation for each and every one of us. To always be united with the Lord. Intimacy. In the gospel also we heard that the apostles were example of zeal in doing the work of God. Jesus said in the gospel today, whoever believes in me will do the work that I do. Yung pagiging malapit pala kay Jesus ay namumunga ng paggawa ayon sa gawa ni Jesus. To do the work of God, to do the work of Jesus, to continue what He has begun, to to continue to offer himself for the good and salvation of all. Sacred tradition tells us that the Apostle Philip preached the good news in Greece, in Syria, and in parts of Turkey, even to the point of offering their life in martyrdom. Kaya pala nakapula. Sacred tradition tells us that the Apostle James remained in Jerusalem. There, he preached in Phrygia and Jerusalem, building the community of the disciples to the point of offering his life for the Lord, doing the work of God. This is the good news of the apostles, not only with their words, but by their examples. An example of intimacy with Jesus, closeness with Jesus, communion with Jesus. An example of giving everything to fulfill the work that God has entrusted to each and every one of us. Amen.